Hello, this video is about replacing display for Honor Pad 5 8-inch. Since there was no video available on YouTube, I thought to make one. I'm not a professional content creator, so please bear with me for a raw video. To begin with, if you have any screen guard over your tab, just remove it, and there is no need to remove the SIM tray or do anything with these buttons. You definitely need these two tools to help you remove the display. How you can begin to do that is use this tool. It has a very sharp edge in the front, and you can start sliding it like this and start removing glue and slowly remove the display. Once the display comes off, I have two tablets. So once the display comes off, it looks somewhat like this. There is no real link between the display and the main device except for this connector. So you don't have to be really worried about the SIM tray or any of the buttons attached there. And it's just fixed using the glue, and there are no screws or anything for fastening. The next step would be to remove this connector, which is usually attached here. So you can just pull it up so that it can get disconnected. As well as you prepare your new display for fixing, I would recommend all of these cushions that are there here, and there are some cushions here. It would be better you transfer these cushions to your new display so that it serves the purpose whatever they were meant for. While connecting the display, you can bend this connector a little bit and push it carefully inside this female connector. It is little tricky, so be very careful. So just ensure that when you snap fit this inside, there is a white line on this connector, and that white line should not be visible, or else it doesn't fit properly. It means that it has not fit properly. The white line that's marked here should get disappeared. So once that is fit, before you fix it back, we are just trying it by powering on. Alright, we have a new functioning screen. You are good to fix it. Either use some adhesive, recommended adhesive, not a permanent one, and you can fix it and use it. Hope this video has helped. Thank you.